guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachel. If you're new here, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below. One of my favorite things to do in the entire world is pump up some good music and declutter a room. So today we're tackling my kitchen. Let's get started.
If I was a fire, a burning light, and I would break into the night. Come tell me how I'm wired. I know I'm about to be set on fire. Come tell me why I reach for the sky.
Who in the world needs this many cups? Look at this. Our kids are 3 and 1. They drink out of sippy cups. All these cups behind me, mine and my husband's. 2 people, and it's like, oh my goodness, 60 cups, different kinds, but we're purging at least half.
Then the stars, and I'm just holding on. Come tell me why.
This large cabinet above our bar used to hold all of the boys' things, the baby supplies that I needed when they were smaller, like the bottle warmer, the bottle and nipple sterilizer, their baby food, bottles, all that good stuff. Now it's just their bowls and sippy cups, and the rest of the cabinet is empty. This is one of the largest cabinets in our kitchen, and the thing we have the most of is cups, drinking glasses, coffee mugs, regular mugs like travel mugs, things like that. So I want to be organizing all of that stuff into this cabinet since it's one of the larger ones.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels.
What happens when your pantry's so cluttered you can't find anything? You end up having 3 almost brand new bottles of ketchup because apparently you thought you were out just because you couldn't find it.
Me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. We can pretend that time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up the way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. With the lights on, light me up, don't you stop. 'Cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. Come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight.
So helpful, man. Oh, turn it. There we go. Thank you. Thank you again. How many more you got? Is that the last one? Yeah. Yay! Good job. Thanks for helping, Taylor. Good job. That is it for this video. My kitchen cabinets look so much better, especially the pantry. It's nice and neat. It'll be so much easier to find everything now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to start decluttering your kitchen, or just the energy to get up and tackle it. Sometimes I just need that extra push to get up and actually do something. And if I'm not feeling that great, if I just start, then I kind of get into it and get it done, and then I feel awesome. I hope that you guys get all of your to-do list finished today and you have an awesome day. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. Just hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye.